Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to play Pokemon on iPhone. Let's go! Pokemon is a beloved franchise that has been around for over 20 years, and it has been enjoyed by millions of fans around the world. However, playing Pokemon on iPhone can be a bit tricky. I will show you the easiest and safest way to play Pokemon on your iPhone without jailbreaking your device. First, go to your web browser. Then type eclipse.me. Now you will see this kind of interface. Close these ads and tap OK. Now tap on Continue. Tap on Share icon from the bottom of the page. Then tap on Add to Home Screen. Now open it to play the game first. You have to add some games. Tap on the plus icon on the right top of the corner. Now tap on Homebrew. Here you will see a list of games. Now add your desired game. Download it. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy all your favorite Pokemon games on your iPhone without having to jailbreak your device. As always, make sure to download ROMs from reputable sources. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.